Hey filmmakers, Chung here. Let me introduce you to the Yolobox Pro and 8 reasons why this device could help you get better live streams or even make an easier workflow to output online content. A brief explanation of the Yolobox Pro is that it's an almost all-in-one streaming device, recorder, monitor built into one device. Something that the Yolobox competes with is the Atem Mini Pro. Though they are not fully similar, but often people contemplate choosing between these two. First, the obvious reason is that Yolobox Pro got a built-in monitor, where you can preview cameras connected and without occupying the HDMI out port. While with the Atem Mini Pro you would need to buy an external monitor and occupy the HDMI out for the preview, well, with the Yolobox Pro you can still easily supply a live feed to a big screen at an event or presentation while live streaming. Second is internet connection. While both of them do have a network port, the Yolobox Pro have a built-in Wi-Fi and also can make use of 4G SIM cards for 4G internet, so you can live stream anywhere. But with the Atem Mini Pro, you definitely need to make use of an external device to connect to the internet, like with a laptop for Wi-Fi or a mobile phone for mobile data. But having it built into the device also means less additional devices you need to bring or worry about. Third is power supply. With the Yolobox Pro you have a 10,000 mAh battery built in, and you can power it via the USB Type-C to extend the time using a power bank or just directly wall plugged. Atem Mini Pro can be powered via a DC adapter or by a special adapter to power it with a power bank or even V-mounts. But the Yolobox Pro with a built-in battery means you can actually hot swap power banks and keep on live streaming, while with the Atem Mini, if you need to switch between power sources, you need to stop streaming. Fourth is connecting to streaming platforms. With the Yolobox Pro there is a simple login process to different platforms, and you can stream to multiple platforms quite easily by selecting them. And you can also turn them off if you don't need it. But with the Atem Mini, it is a bit more of a hassle. It is not a simple setting you can turn on and off. And it is like a weird method, as you need to open an XML file and look at specific codes and fill in a streaming key, and it is not really a user-friendly process to do this. Fifth is the price. You might have noticed there is a theme going on that you need to buy a lot of things to connect to the Atem Mini Pro to make it work properly. Well, the Atem Mini Pro is cheaper than buying the Yolobox Pro, but the things you need to buy in addition do add up quite quickly, and you can actually get just much more out of your Yolobox Pro and spend less on additional things and just have the features already built into the Yolobox Pro without having to worry about additional gear. The sixth is that the Yolobox Pro got a lot of software features built into it, like lower thirds. You can also play GIFs and also add 2 different videos and also a PDF as a presentation, and these you can just add into your live stream and add a more professional feel to it. While with the Atem Mini Pro, if you need these features you do need to use a laptop with like a special software where you can load that in. Number 7 is that YoloLive is a very active company on social media, and you can easily contact them on the Facebook group, and also they listen to their customers and get a lot of feedbacks that they would improve their product with. Especially on their website you can see a lot of upcoming features, a lot of requested features, and a lot of things that they are going to change and add to the Yolobox Pro to make it an even better product. While with the Blackmagic side, often I haven't really seen them being that active talking to the customers, and also really haven't seen much of them really doing that much listening to the customers, improving upon their products. Number 8 is less things to bring with you to do the same job. With the Yolobox Pro, I can just bring the Yolobox and few cameras, tripods, and also the HDMI cables, and pretty much just set up a live stream anywhere very fast. But with the Blackmagic Atem Mini Pro, I would need to bring so much more stuff to do the same things. I would also need a big table to put so much things on it. And also, yeah, with the whole thing you get like a big workstation to live stream with. But with the Yolobox Pro, with it so much built in, it's also less equipment you have to worry about that could fail and also forget to bring. Hope these 8 reasons were enough to convince you to choose the Yolobox Pro over the Atem Mini Pro. And also, if you have anything else you want to add on to it, please comment it in the comment section here below. And if you want to see more videos, please hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye!